the guidance will be delivered will be like from almost PhD professors and international master's degree students and IT experts who are having more than 5, 10, and 15 years experience in our team. We are happy that you can get enough and you will be very perfect before you going to the visa interview. Okay. And one more thing is that we are planning to implement IT solutions in the future where merit-based students once after completion of 4 rounds of interview in XtremeAdvice, they will get the membership and they can apply for the full-time opportunities through the XtremeAdvice. So this is about the IT solutions and internship offers. So it all included in the internship training, like let me say. So what you get benefit once after completion of the XtremeAdvice internship, which is going to be scheduled in 25 May. Almost it will start from February, March, April, or around May. So it will be 3 months of training where you will get clear idea and technical aptitude and communication, and at the same time hands-on project with industry oriented experts interaction. Okay, so this is about the whole idea of our internship plan, which is going to be introduced in 2025. So here is a question: how to apply for the internships and what is the eligibility and qualification and what are all the benefits. And let me say, so once after you register for this internship offer, we make sure that you are good enough in technical aptitude and communication with the basic skills. For that purpose, we are going to conduct an entrance examination in the first step. If you clear the entrance examination, then you will be redirected to the second step where the technical round of interview will be executed, which we get your technical skills and problem solving skills in the oral interview with one of our technical team member. And coming into the third part, here is the main part where the HR round. Here we will collect the onboarding details and everything required for the internship purpose. Okay, documents and your profile and everything we will collect here. And what's the next step we will discuss here in the third round. And once you are very clear and you clear these 3 rounds of interviews, whatever it is, entrance exam, interview, HR round, you will be eligible to get the merit-based scholarship from the XtremeAdvice, where multiple partnered organizations and supporters are helping our XtremeAdvice, and at the same time our core main initiators are helping our company and engaging students in education and employment. Okay, so once you enroll in the internship, it will be 3 months of internship, where in these 3 months you will be getting hands-on experience on technical aptitude, communication, and real-time technical project based on your field of study. And we are going to make it a clear plan with scheduled hours so that you can get clear glance knowledge from our team, and at the same time you can have your time to engage your skills and enhance your skills. Okay, this is about the internship offer. I will announce the link in the Twitter and LinkedIn and in our websites in the coming days. You will get information, and I can give you assurance that you will get 100% sure that you will get quality education from the IT experts in terms of technical aptitude and communication. For sure, once after completion of XtremeAdvice internship offer for 3 months, you will be getting certification. Where if you are interested in for international higher studies, we are here to help you for the admission and to make you perfect in visa interview and to make you perfect in immigration, and we help you in financial